The P0300 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your Chevrolet's engine is experiencing random misfires across multiple cylinders, rather than a problem isolated to just one cylinder. This image shows the difference between proper combustion on the left and improper combustion on the right. When multiple cylinders misfire randomly, it creates the P0300 code rather than individual cylinder codes. The most common cause of P0300 codes is ignition system problems, accounting for 40 to 50% of all cases. This includes worn spark plugs like the one shown here, faulty ignition coils, damaged spark plug wires, and ignition module issues. Fuel system problems represent 25 to 30% of P0300 cases. These include clogged fuel injectors, fuel pump failures, fuel pressure regulator malfunctions, and contaminated fuel affecting combustion quality. Engine mechanical issues account for 15 to 20% of P0300 codes. These more serious problems include low compression, valve issues, head gasket failures, and timing chain or belt problems that affect engine timing. Air and vacuum system issues cause 10 to 15% of P0300 codes. These include vacuum leaks, mass airflow sensor problems like the one shown here, throttle body issues, and PCV system malfunctions that disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Modern Chevrolet vehicles feature enhanced OBD2 systems that provide more accurate diagnostics. These systems can differentiate between mechanical and electrical causes, provide real-time misfire data, and integrate with other vehicle systems for comprehensive analysis. Now that we understand what the P0300 code means, let's walk through the systematic diagnostic process to identify and fix the root cause. Step 1 is scanning for additional diagnostic trouble codes. These companion codes often provide more specific clues about the underlying problem. Step 2 involves a thorough visual inspection of ignition components, vacuum lines, and electrical connections. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 3 is systematic component testing. We'll test ignition coils, examine spark plugs, and check fuel pressure using proper diagnostic equipment. Spark plug condition tells us a lot about engine health. This chart shows different spark plug appearances and what they indicate about combustion quality and potential problems. Fuel pressure testing is critical. Low fuel pressure can cause misfires under load conditions. Use a fuel pressure gauge connected to the Schrader valve to verify proper pressure. Step 4 involves advanced testing when basic checks don't reveal the problem. Compression testing checks engine mechanical condition, while scope analysis provides detailed waveform data. For direct injection engines found in Chevrolet Equinox, Malibu, and Traverse models, carbon buildup on intake valves is a common cause of misfires. This requires specialized cleaning services. Prevention is key to avoiding future P0300 codes. Use top-tier gasoline with detergent additives to help prevent carbon buildup and maintain fuel system cleanliness. Don't forget that some P0300 codes in 2020 and newer models can be resolved through ECM software updates. Always check for available technical service bulletins and software calibrations. Industry statistics show that proper diagnostics lead to successful repairs. 85% of P0300 codes are resolved on the first attempt when systematic diagnosis is followed, with repair costs typically ranging from $150 to $800. Following this systematic diagnostic approach will help you efficiently identify and resolve P0300 codes, saving time and money while ensuring a proper repair.